using the Janome Zipper Foot E to install a lap zipper. Attach the zipper foot E or the E foot so it's on the right side of the needle. Put your zipper's teeth next to the seam allowance. Sew the tape down. Snap the foot off and snap it back on to the other side. Turn your fabric over. Now you're going to create edge stitching right along the teeth. Catching the edge of the fold, stitch it down along the edge of the teeth. Once you stitch that down all the way, flip your fabric back over. Release the E-foot and attach it to the other side again. Using the guide, you're going to sew down along the edge, creating your lap. And now you have your 3 rows of stitching, where you attach the tape, where you stitched the fold, and where you sewed it to the front.